Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install Roblox shaders into your own computer. For this tutorial, especially if you want to use shaders like in game, I do recommend getting a computer with an actually strong graphics card because shaders are really graphically intense for your computer, and I do not recommend using it if you don't have a graphics card. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll show you how to download shaders. Alright, so here I'm gonna show you guys how to download Roblox shaders. These are like not actually like shaders that are meant to be within the game. This is like a thing that is added that can be injected into Roblox, which will allow the game to look like it has shaders. Of course, you'll need a strong computer for this. I'll explain later, or I've already explained. Um, First, you're gonna get the zip file that I have included in the description. You can find out later. Then you're gonna open it, extract it, and for me, it'll go to my desktop. So then it'll open up this. Or if you wanted to do it, it'll appear on your desktop like this. You can just double click this; it'll go to the same thing. You open this, and you open this folder. And then now wait here, because now you're gonna need your Roblox player. Trust me, Roblox player is important here. You're gonna right click it, then you're gonna press open file location. It's gonna show you this. It's gonna show you the version of Roblox that you're currently using. For me, I've already have all the reshade stuff like that. But normally, if you don't, it's just gonna show Roblox Player Launcher, Roblox Player Beta, and a few other stuff. You want to press this and do Control C or copy. I can just show you that copy. Yep. Now you double click reshade. Select the game you want to install or uninstall from. Then you press that, and you put in. Then you just Control paste it, or just hang on. I'm just gonna. You can do Control V or paste into there. Yep, and I'll show you this. Now you press Roblox Player Launcher. Press open. Now, Roblox Player Launcher will always use OpenGL. You can close that thing that I just closed over there. You can press OpenGL. Now press yes, and it'll download. For me, it's unable to download because I already have everything downloaded. Never mind that. Then we're gonna go back out. Then we're gonna go to Roshade. Now press install, press end, press home, or you can use F8 or F7. I use end and home. Next, for me, I'm gonna install everything to show you guys later, but you can choose the ones you don't want to install, such as Rotate High. You can just take that off. Next, just press install. Now you can do anything you want to do, just watch YouTube or whatever. It's pretty quick though. Just wait a little bit. Yep, next. And now you can press cancel, or if you press close and follow, it just goes to Google. I'm going to press cancel. Now you can open Roblox. Now this is going to all come up. Now you can press home. And it'll have every single preset that you downloaded from Roshade. We're just now going to go into doors to show you the setup, the shaders. I'm going to show you guys the shaders in Roblox using the doors lobby, because doors lobby is cool and stuff. I'm just going to... Okay, so we're gonna showcase all of the settings, all of the different shaders, and I'm gonna show my FPS. If I can change the location of that. No, okay. Let's see. Performance. FPS. Put that in the bottom. Yep. Okay. Back. So now there's gonna be FPS on the bottom, I think. Just gonna have to. There'll be FPS on the bottom. You can see my FPS count. That should be similar to, yeah, that should be similar to what Roblox experienced. Okay. So the first one we're gonna use is Roshade High. Now, if you did install Roshade, you would get this shader preset. It looks like this. This is Roshade High, and my FPS counter isn't really working with Oh no, yep, it's working. It's working like 100 FPS around there. Yep. This is with a 3070 Ti, by the way. Handling pretty fine, anyways. So like 100 FPS on a really strong computer. This is what Roshade looks like. Also, I have graphics setting 8. Next, we have Roshade Medium with almost no change whatsoever, except for the plus 30 FPS. Thank you very much. Next, we go into Roshade Low. A little bit, like, no change at all, but a plus 10 FPS. Then we go to very glossy shaders. Now, very glossy, it just makes everything, like, reflective. This doesn't actually hit as hard as Roshade shaders, the glossy shaders. As you can see, I'm getting, like, 150 FPS. Then we move on to glossy, just regular glossy. It doesn't look as good, but it is still glossy a little bit. We get 160, 70 FPS. And then here's my favorite thing about Reshade. Okay, so I'm just gonna move my camera a little bit. So with Reshade, you can actually change settings. So for example, I can turn on ASCII and make everything look like ASCII, yeah. So you go to green screen.ini. This will come with Roshade, unless you unselected it. It's just gonna look green for like green screen stuff. But we can put active to top. We can take off chroma key here, make it look normal, make it look like normal Roblox. Put rim light. Turn on rim light. As you can see, everything turns white. This setting basically deletes darkness, so it is perfect for games like Roblox, which has dark rooms in it. A few Roblox videos will be coming out later showing full potential of these Roblox shaders. So yeah, now I'm just gonna hop into a game. Just like it's not even gonna be doors. I'm just gonna hop into a game, because just to show you the effects of this. Okay. Come on. Yes, you got the good server. We got the good server. Load my data. Load my assets. Let's go. Load my assets. Let's go. Skip. Oh, I don't have volume up. My kill. Dang, I didn't get the kill. My kill. Oh, what? Bro's actually crazy with that. Bro actually crazy with the headshot. Oh. Alright, so guys, if you did enjoy this video, then like the video, please, so that other people can find this video and find out how to download Roblox shaders and install them for themselves. Although you do really need a good computer, it might cost like $2,000. Anyways, if you are new to the channel and want to see gaming content like Roblox, Minecraft, or stuff like that, subscribe so you can know when those content comes out and you'll know. Yep. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, man. Also, we are 5 subscribers away from 50 subscribers. That is a lot for me, because my family's largest channel got like 53 subs. So 50 subs is a lot for me, because I'm a solo channel. It's a lot for me to handle. It's 50 subs. So thank you all so much for subscribing. It really helps me out. And yeah, next Roblox video coming out, I don't know when. Probably gonna be with like some people, I don't know, but like, yeah, it's probably gonna be Doors. So don't know, you'll have to see. Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye bye.